In this tutorial, we will talk about electrical resistance. The electrical resistance of an object or material is a measure of the degree to which the object opposes an electric current passing through it. For example, conductors has less resistance than insulators. Here, the blue circles represent electrons and the orange circles represent atoms. Electrons can move quickly if there's enough space between the atoms. Now, if this space gets smaller, the movement of the electrons will decrease. So this object has a higher resistance. Electricity flows best when atoms in a conductor remain still. Free electrons in a conductor flows between atoms and collide with them. Because of the continuous collisions, the atoms will have enough energy to vibrate. Then the resistance decreases. There's many factors which affect the resistance. The first factor is the type of material. Materials with tightly bound electrons have a high resistance, such as plastic and wood. These are called electrical insulators. Materials with free electrons have a low resistance, such as metals, like copper and silver. Now the second factor is size and shape. Thin and small conductors have high resistance than large, thick ones. Electrical conductors have different conductivity. For example, lamps contain a filament which turns the lamp on. This filament is a thin and small metal, therefore it has high resistance. Now the last factor which affects electrical resistance is current. Materials become warm with increasing electrical currents, driving up resistance. So the higher the current, the higher the electrons, leading to more collisions and more heat energy, therefore more resistance.